Up, middle school and high school students? This is Seth with SethPro.com. I hope you're having a great day. This video, is for you if this is day one of school. So what I expect is going to happen is most of you middle and high school students will probably watch this video before day one. But what I really want to encourage you to do is watch this video when you get home from school after your first day of school. So, if you're watching this video, you're a middle schooler or a high schooler, and you're not exactly the most organized student. It's okay, it's cool because that's what I was, that's what I did, that may be what one of your parents is like. Chances are you've got teachers that might be like that too. But to be very honest with you, the purpose of education is so that you can have a great future. And you want to do well in school, even if you don't want to do well in school. You do want to do well in school so that you can build the tools so that you can create a great future. You do not want to have a future where you have limited choices. You want to have a future where you have great choices, unlimited possibilities, where you can really do what's important to you, do something that matters to you when you get older. So this education is going to help set you up for that, even though there may be problems with education or teachers that you don't particularly like or classwork that you don't particularly care for. It is extraordinarily important that you learn how to manage life and manage these things. So, this video is about day one of school. When you get home from school on day one, here's what I think it should look like for you. And if you do what I'm suggesting, this will help set you up for the rest of the school year to make it an easier school year. The first day that you get home from school, it's very important to do these things. This is setting a tone for you for the rest of the year. Now, before I tell you what to do, I'm going to tell you what you're inclined to do. What most people, what a lot of students are inclined to do who aren't naturally organized human beings, who aren't naturally strong students, what they're inclined to do is come home from school. Their parents are going to say, "How was school?" They're going to say, "It was fine." And your parents are going to say, "Well, tell me about it." And you're just going to say, "It was fine. I want to go hang out with my friends, go play video games, go outside, whatever." And what a lot of people will do is they'll just do that. And now you're legitimately going to be tired after the first day of school. Your brain's going to be tired. You've just met a bunch of new people, seen tons of people. You might be overwhelmed. The teachers have thrown a million details at you. You got your new locker, your new classroom, looking around the new hallways. There's a lot going on. Your brain is filled. So it's normal that you're going to want to just decompress and forget about everything. So, what I want you to do when you get home from school is this, though. First thing I want you to do is be honest with your parents about it. Tell them some of the ups and downs of the day. Say, "Hey, yeah, school was great or it wasn't great. Here's some of the good, here's some of the bad." Like, have a balanced perspective. Don't be totally negative even if you feel like that. Find some positive things, and if you're totally positive, find some negative things. Not looking for negative things, but be honest about how the day was with them. Having good communication with your parents is really helpful. So just tell them, "Here were some of the good things, here were some of the not so good things. There's my day." So the first thing you're going to want to do is tell them what happened. Next thing you're going to want to do is you are going to want to decompress. You're going to want to forget about school. You're going to want to throw your backpack down, go outside, move your body, hang out with friends, have some fun, have some laughs, hang out with your parents, do whatever you do for fun, and chill out for a little bit. Hopefully, not go straight to video games or straight to TV. Hopefully, do something active and something social and something fun and stimulating for you. So the first thing you are going to want to do is you're going to want to decompress. You're going to need to decompress. Then at some point you're going to eat dinner, right? And I don't know if you're going to do this before or after dinner, but at some point you're going to want to spend a good hour going through everything in your backpack. Hopefully you didn't shove everything in your locker. Hopefully you shoved it all in your backpack, and you probably have a mess of stuff in your backpack. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to turn off the computer, you're going to want to turn off the TV, sit down on the floor at a big table, chill out, relax with one of your parents or with a cousin or an aunt or an uncle or some adult who you respect who has a pretty good life. And you're going to want to sit down with them, and you're going to want to start to go through all your stuff. You're You're going to want to go through every single paper. You might have some trash already, throw it away. You might have some homework already, put it in a pile to address the homework. You're going to want to reorganize your folders, tighten everything up, make sure everything's labeled, make sure your name's on everything. Look at your planner, look at your school calendar. If your teachers gave you syllabi or syllabus, you're going to want to read through those pretty carefully, highlight them, get things into your planner, and you're going to want to take some time to really, really get organized. So, number one, you're going to want to talk to your parents about your high-low, your temperature for the day. You're going to tell them how your day went, some good and some bad, good, the bad, the ugly. Tell them how your day went. Be honest. Number two, you're going to want to decompress, have some fun, get outside, move your body, get some exercise, get some social time. And number three, you're going to want to organize your stuff. You're going to want to do a total overhaul, look at every single thing in your backpack, take an hour or so, go through it with somebody you trust, go through it with some adult, one of your parents or something, and really go through things carefully and get organized for the next day. The goal is this. You want to get your homework done that night if you have any homework. You want to reset your backpack so that everything's in a great place. And when you walk out that door tomorrow morning, you want to have your backpack ready to rock and roll. No organizing in the morning. That should all be done the night before. And you want to walk into that school with confidence that your backpack is set. You've got everything you need. It's easy to find. You are totally ready to rock and roll on day 2. Now, I just made this whole video. I just spoke for like 6 minutes talking about just what to do when you get home from day 1. And I just want to reemphasize this to you. If you do this, this is going to set a tone for the whole rest of your year. This one night is going to help. It's not going to make or break your year, but it is going to help you have a better year significantly. You are setting the precedent. You are setting the habit. You are setting the tone for the year right there on that night. So I want you to take an hour and do this for you, not for your parents, not for your teachers, not for anybody, but for you. Because the better you set a great tone for the year, the better you're going to set yourself up to have a fantastic future life. And that's what education is really about, is you having an awesome future. With that, good luck to you. I know you will have resistance, meaning you will get stuck, you'll be sick of it, you won't want to start, you'll procrastinate. That is normal. Resistance is the hardest thing that we face. Okay, resisting starting. So it's okay if you have the resistance, but do it anyway. All right. Good luck to you. I hope you have a fantastic school year, and I'll see you soon.